In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agent Builder to create an AI agent. So to do that, first head over to platform.openai.com and you should be able to find there the Agent Builder. To create this, click on this Create button that will appear. You do need to have an OpenAI account for this. So as you can see, it needs to have a payment method, so we need to set up an account for this. So click on this Finish Account Setup. You can see right here your credit. So using your agent builder typically requires a subscription or credits top up on the payment platform of OpenAI. So with this, you can just add your payment details and you should be able to find right here your credits remaining option wherein you can use that to actually apply or create an agent. So let's head over and then do this right here. So using the AI agent, you can use data enrichment, planning helper, customer service agent, Q&A, document comparison, or internal knowledge assistant. Here are some templates that we can choose from, but if you're still knowledgeable in coding, you can create custom AI agents and also structure their workflows and then also train them on how to answer and dictate them on what their role is. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.